See, cloud is the latest buzzword, and definitely it has a lot of advantages. We can deploy automation systems, we can use batch picking or cluster picking methods. The implementation timeline is also reduced drastically. A basic operations can start in hardly no time. You need to look at those as a performance optimization. See, cloud is the latest buzzword, and definitely it has a lot of advantages. So Infor WMS is hosted on AWS cloud platform, and it is not just WMS. So what Infor is providing is a base which is called as Infor OS, and Infor OS has all the native technologies which are required for running any application. So Infor WMS sits on top of this Infor OS layer, and this gives a complete ecosystem. So Infor OS also has the application for the integration platform, which is called as Infor Ion, and it has Infor Burst for visualization. It has Infor document management. It has AI components. It has other native components. Alert mechanisms are there. So this is something that is very unique. So Infor is not just giving WMS as a platform, but it is also giving peripheral applications which support and which is required for the easy working of the warehouse operations. And this is something that is very, very unique because Infor is hosting on a multi-tenant cloud platform, which means that the Infor team is going to monitor and support any performance related operations as well as the daily maintenance of the platform. So it helps that all the customers, they are on a single cloud farm, and this will basically easy to manage for the users. Apart from this, if you see, Infor WMS is especially useful for a third-party logistic customers. They have multiple customers on their own where they have to manage the operations. And Infor WMS natively supports to configure multiple customers within the same facility. So that way, Infor WMS is very much liked by all the big 3PL customers across geographies who are using Infor WMS for their multi-client facilities. And this is one of the very big advantage that in a cloud architecture compared to a legacy system, it is very scalable. So if the, let's say, peak season comes in and you need more resources, it can be easily added. Similarly, if your number of warehouses increase, your business increases and you are opening up new warehouses, in those days in legacy systems, you would have to buy a new hardware, set up a complete system, operating system, install it, add, let's say, the antivirus softwares, and also have your own IT team to maintain the patches and everything. But right now, all these headache is removed. Second point, which is very, very important, is that legacy systems, you will need to do upgrades because otherwise it will be a stable system which is not being upgraded and it is there as a old. That is why we call it legacy, because there is no addition of feature unless you keep on upgrading. And every time you want to upgrade, the operating system and other softwares, they also need to be upgraded. So it's a time-consuming activity. As well as what is happening is if you are going to embark on an upgrade process, it will cost you not only money and time, but also it will be causing a downtime because you are going to replace those servers into another server. So all this is eliminated by a cloud platform. You are always on the latest version. There is hardly any noticeable downtime. There are patches and new releases, feature releases which are being deployed on the cloud platform, and we have customers who are running it for 24/7 operations and they hardly notice any disruption in their activity. So this is a very, very big advantage for the IT team of our customers, where the number of people are reduced. They don't need to worry about regular maintenance and backups of the system, which was the case in the legacy systems. But in the cloud platform, everything is controlled by Infor team. As I said just now, scalability is managed. There are two aspects to it. One is the scalability of the operations and then the technology scalability. If you think about the technology, then because it is on AWS platform, the AWS platform is being monitored by cloud team, and as soon as they understand there is a peak reached there, they improve or they add more resources to ensure the smooth operations. If we talk about the functional aspect of it, that the warehouse volume is increasing and I need to handle it in a different way. So then we have multiple different methods, especially in case of outbound. We can deploy automation systems. We can use batch picking or cluster picking methods. We can have multiple different operations, different functionality which can be used to improve and increase the efficiency. Of course, you can always increase your resources, number of pickers you can increase. You can work in multiple shifts. Instead of first one shift, you can increase to 2 or 3 shifts in a day to handle more volume. So those activities are there. But apart from that, purely technical, if you are talking about cloud-based activities, then definitely the advantage is the AWS platform, which is highly scalable and very flexible. You can add more resources, computing power as well as storage space, which will improve and can handle more volumes. Because it is cloud native, there are multiple checks in place which will help the cloud team to immediately go back up online. In case of any disaster, there are online backups which are being taken, and if there is a downtime, if there is a disaster, if there is some mishap, and if we need to bring back the server up and running, it is very easy, and it is being done by the AWS platform itself. So this is something that is handled by the Infor Cloud team, which is monitoring 24/7 on all the farms, server farms, which are spread across multiple geographies. As I said, the earlier method was to bring the server down and do the upgrade or migrate to a new server with new operating system and capacity. Now, because of the cloud platform, and especially for big multinational customers who have operations across different geographies or even countries, they benefit a lot because now they don't have the headache of managing those servers. And if there is an upgrade, if there are some patch releases, then it is all already tested and then deployed during off-peak hours. And it is also controlled and managed by Infor team. So in those cases, the companies, the big organizations, they don't need to worry about the upgrade, the downtime, and any backup requirements. So all this is taken care by the Infor team itself. I would say the warehouse throughput, the speed of operations, the volume increase in the order fulfillment, these are something which is definitely have improved after implementation of the cloud platform. And this is something that the speed of operation, especially if you are talking about the cloud platform, the rollouts, the implementation timeline is also reduced drastically, because to provision a new environment, it is going to take hardly a week's time, whereas in on-prem or legacy systems, you need to build the server, set up the environment, you need to deploy and install the application. It would take a lot of time. So that has completely eliminated. So now what we are doing is, if the new customer is getting onboarded, within few days, the new environment is being provisioned and they are able to get up and running. A basic operations can start in hardly no time. Of course, there is training, testing, and other activities involved which will take time, but it's a ready-made system which is being provisioned to the customer. So we had one customer, they were again in the fashion business, and why I'm saying fashion is because the huge volumes are noticed there, and it is also seasonal business, so there are different seasons and multiple during the year. So there they were facing a lot of challenges initially because the system was tuned for handling a certain throughput, and after go live during the season they noticed that the volumes have increased drastically and now they have to handle more load. So they were able to add more people, more pickers, more receiving team members to do the operations. But the more shifts they added, the more people they added, they noticed that there was a slight slowness in the operations, and it was taking around 3-4 seconds for each task. And this was being reported, and then we worked with the Infor team, and globally it is a common phenomenon that when you start a new operation, then the data is less. So the system seems to perform very fast. As the operation continues and you build data, there might be some slowness in the system which needs to be fine-tuned. You need to look at those as a performance optimization. And that is what we did. And it was a huge improvement which was noticed by the customer once the parameters were fine-tuned on this cloud server. And from 3-4 seconds for each task, it was reduced to less than a second. So near real-time speed, which was noticed by the users. And this was really very satisfying for the customer also.